Here's how you can add full reel to Instagram stories. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add a full reel. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to Instagram. So it's pretty basic if you're an iPhone, but like if you use an Android mobile, it's like you got many ways on how you can add a full reel. But yeah, if you're an iPhone, just go to the reel section and find yourself a reel that you want to use. So let's say I want to use some sort of this reel. So here, as you can see, so what you can do is just press on this share icon on this reel, and here you will be able to see the option of download. Just press download and you will be able to download the full reel. As you can see, it's downloading and it's downloaded. So here, once you download it, I'm going to show you another way. This was the first way. Just go to the share again and press copy link, and then just go to your browser, any other browser that you could use. So I'm just gonna go in this Safari, so you could use Safari too, and then just type in Insta. Yeah, just use a story saver or something just like that. And once you press on story saver, just post in the link or the Instagram account username that you want to download. So there are various ways. So I'm gonna use another one. Let's try this one. And here you can see I'm just gonna put in the link that we copied, and then just download. So if you're an Android, it will be basically very easy for you. Here, as you can see, I have the option of download video. I'm just gonna press download video, and it's gonna bring up this ad, but we're just gonna basically skip it. And here, as you can see, it says, do you want to download? Just press on download. And here, as you can see, it's downloading on my Safari. So it's basically 5 MBs. But yeah, like once it's downloaded, just go to your Instagram. And just go to your Instagram. After that, just go to your story section, and then you put in the story just like that. And here, as you can see, you could just basically use it just like that, and you got no problems right after that. So yeah, it's pretty easy and simple. I hope you like this video, and subscribe and comment under this video. Until then, goodbye and peace out.